What's up, guys? You passed them. You passed them. Today I'm gonna be recording. I don't know yet. I think Minecraft. Yeah, Minecraft. So it's gonna be like a tutorial. So let's get into it. Yeah, like what the freak? Minecraft. Whoa, you suck. Sorry, I'm looking at my brother. My little brother play Call of Duty. Okay, loaded.
He just got one. And I got one.
Pull out a better gun. Chop him. Pull out custom 3. Custom 5. Put car. I gotta die. Okay. And we're gonna build a new world. So let's build a new world. You want it on creative to make the thing work. Make it on peaceful, flat, and yeah. Create your world. Yeah. Okay, just let the world generate. Okay. So, in the Minecraft, I'm going to show you how to build a tornado siren that actually works. So, what you want is get yourself some iron blocks. Why? Okay. Get yourself some iron blocks. A redstone torch. Some redstone. End rod. And a note block. Okay, once you're done getting those materials, you want to put 6 iron blocks going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, around this top one, you want to put you want to surround it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. Make sure it's a 3 by 3, and then what you want to do is break that middle block. Put your torch right there and right there. Oh yeah, forgot about it. You need a lever. So let me get that real quick, or else it won't work. Okay, there. So you want to go up, place a piece of redstone in that middle, and place your note block over the redstone, like that. Okay, it's supposed to be blinking. No, break the note. Yeah, no. Put the note block back. Sorry. And then place your redstone. So it's gonna sound like that. But it's natural. It's supposed to sound like that. Now place a lever and stop it. Now break this piece of redstone and put it back. And then, okay, Let it tap like that, and then tap it 7 to 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then you want to put the end rods on each corner. And then you want to put an iron block on the end rods. And connect the iron blocks. But do not fill in the middle block. Leave the middle like that. And then what you want to do is put a block like that. And you will hear your tornado siren. And it's going to keep playing that. So when it keeps playing that, it will work. And now, stop it. And that's how you build your very own tornado siren. I hope you guys like this tutorial. I know it's kind of a short video, but I'll be back later with a longer video. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I will make some more tutorials of how to and stuff on Minecraft, so yeah. Make sure you stay tuned, and I guess bye guys.